Hi there. So I'm back again with Conversation IO, and today the topic that I have selected is WhatsApp commerce. So a couple of our clients were asking how WhatsApp can help their business to grow and how WhatsApp can help their sales to grow more and more. So this is a presentation that I have, and if you want this presentation, just send me a message and I'll shoot you the presentation via DM. Now, moving ahead, once we start with conversations, so it means turn your conversations into conversions. Like conversation is one of the messaging platforms out there that helps you in support, that helps you in commerce, as well as it helps you in marketing purposes. Moving ahead. Now, when I speak about WhatsApp ecosystem, so basically, if you understand, there are three types of WhatsApp. Number one is the WhatsApp Messenger that me and you are using. Number second is the WhatsApp Business that we can just simply go to the Play Store and we can download. And number third is the WhatsApp Business API that is not easily accessible to every other person. So you need a vendor or you need a provider for the WhatsApp Business API. Luckily, Conversation is one of them. Now, the benefits of WhatsApp Business API will be discussing later, but you can have it access on multiple devices. It allows automation. You can build your own chatbots. You can do bulk broadcasting, and again, as I was discussing, so it's not available in any app store. You have to either take it from a verified business API provider, or you have to have it directly from Meta, and you need a business number obviously to have it convertible into WhatsApp Business API. Now, when I speak about advantages and limitations for WhatsApp Business API, so the first of all, the first advantage is you can connect it on multiple devices. You can do broadcast mass messaging. So that means like on a simple WhatsApp business, you can do maximum 256 limits. But on a WhatsApp Business API, the sky's the limit. You can start from as low as 1,000 user limit per month per day, and you can go to up till 10,000, 12,000, 15,000, 20,000 limit per day. Obviously, it depends upon tier one, tier two, and tier three. You can create your customer engagements. You can set targeted campaigns, automation, customized broadcast messaging, and tracking message volume and stuff. Another stuff is when we speak about the limitations that not so many people are telling in the market, so there are a couple of limitations too. First of all, your WhatsApp Business API doesn't support WhatsApp calls or video calls, so you have to keep those things in mind. Number second is your WhatsApp API doesn't allow you to support or to be have a chat inside a WhatsApp groups. Apart from this, you have a 24 hours window to respond to a customer, like the user initiated and the business initiated, that we'll be discussing later in this presentation. You need a Facebook business manager verified for to have a WhatsApp business API, and plus obviously there are mandatory approvals. You have to follow some protocols by the Meta itself. Now, moving ahead, when we speak about the WhatsApp itself, so some of the times client to us, hey, we were using this service or that service for the WhatsApp broadcasting. Why we should have a WhatsApp Business API instead of just taking it in the market? So first of all, the most common reason is WhatsApp doesn't support you to spam people. That means like it doesn't support you to have 1,000 numbers and to do the broadcast messaging onto those numbers and to start spamming those numbers. It's against its policy, and that's the reason it blocks your number. And again, the simple another thing is, let's suppose if you are using a simple WhatsApp business for your account, so at a time you cannot have that WhatsApp account logged inside different mobile phone on your mobile agents on your agent. So you have to assign different mobile numbers to different agents, and that's an hassle. Multiple phone numbers, multiple devices, and obviously it's difficult to manage. Now, the solution is you can have a conversation software. So first of all, you need a business number. Either you can pick a own number, it could be a mobile number, landline number, or toll free number. We can easily convert it into a WhatsApp business account. You need a conversation software. And third is, if you wanted to assign any live agents, you can assign them as well. We have so many benefits. You will be getting one unified dashboard to manage all your conversations. You can assign as many agents you want. You can create your own chatbots. You can track the productivity as well as you can set the automations. Now, moving ahead, what is conversation? So, as we were discussing in the beginning, conversation is one of the messaging platforms out there that helps your business to grow via conversational marketing, support, as well as commerce. Now, moving ahead for WhatsApp team inbox in conversation CRM, that we let's say if it's CRM, it has a unified dashboard to manage all your customer communications. You can create your own chatbots. You can track productivity as well as you can set up the automations. Now, moving ahead, when I speak about for developers and someone who is from the tech background, so it's in heaven for them. It's like highly focused towards developer. You can create your own softwares inside it, your own mini apps inside it, and your own solutions inside conversation. Now, when I speak about WhatsApp ecosystem, so there are multiple things you'll be, as you can read inside the slide as well. I'll be shooting you this slide. If anyone wants, just let me know and I'll shoot you this slide over DM. So first of all, when I speak about the target users, so personal WhatsApp, they just focus on individual or generic purpose. WhatsApp business, they support small businesses, but WhatsApp Enterprise API, they focuses on medium businesses and enterprise businesses. You have to obviously follow a proper channel to get an API. It supports multiple devices. You can broadcast campaign. You can have a broadcasting limit more than 1,000 per 24 hours. Again, starting is 1,000 and sky is the limit. You have to have a business verification process. You can do unlimited integrations with this business API. Setup tab, it hardly takes 20 minutes to complete the process to obtain an API, as well as other functions like you can create automations, expand your business, and obviously you can monitor your product and you can monitor your productivity. Now, how the channel works, it's pretty simple. As inside the conversation, you'll find a WhatsApp. There are three options inside conversation. First of all, either you can obtain from 360 dialog, it's a paid option. Either you can avail from Twilio, it's a paid option. And the third option is you can just directly take from the cloud API Meta, that is 100% free of cost to obtain, and you'll find it inside conversation. If you have any kind of concerns, to let us know, and we'll be more than happy to assist you. So first of all, you have to obtain the cloud API inside conversation. You have to connect it with the conversation software, and then obviously the business owners, if you wanted to send any live agents, you can do it easily. Now, when I speak about the customer journey, so it has a wonderful benefit. Like, let's suppose either you can bring traffic from your website, you can bring traffic to you from your Instagram, you can bring traffic from your emails, you can bring traffic from Facebook. Or the most simple thing is, to me, let's suppose if you are running an e-commerce store, let's suppose this. So the first and simplest thing is a pop-up appears in which they ask for you the email address. So instead of having the email address for the customer, what you can do is you can ask them to opt in your WhatsApp. So what this will allow you is, as soon as the customer opt in inside your WhatsApp, you can always do the broadcasting, you can always do the scheduled messaging. Reason why I'm suggesting is, WhatsApp has an open rate of more than 99%, and WhatsApp has a click through rate of more than 55 to 60%. It's more than email marketing, it's more than Facebook marketing, it's more than LinkedIn ads, Google ads, or any other influencer marketing that you are doing, and for which you are spending bucks, hundreds and thousands of bucks over those marketing. So instead of this, go with the WhatsApp. It will be at a very reasonable price, and you'll be having some great results afterwards. Now, moving at how to get started, as we were discussing. So, first of all, you need a conversation, not just a conversation software, but any other software available in the market. You need a WhatsApp, you need a Facebook Business Manager verified. You have to pick up a number. We'll be helping you to obtain the cloud API, and then that's it. You are good to go. Now, there are a couple of policies by the WhatsApp itself. So, first of all, there are a couple of industries, a couple of codes, and a couple of services that are prohibited by WhatsApp itself. So, you can pause this video and you can read it from here too. Now, there are a couple of steps that you have to follow. So, first of all, you should have a verified business manager ID, and if you don't have, no problem, we can help you to get it. Number second is a business number. So, you have to pick up a number. It's a toll free number, a mobile number, or any phone number. You have to pick a number. And number third is you have to obtain a display name. Now, sometimes what people are doing is they are trying to make a display name that is against Meta policies. So, you have to read some Meta policies as well, and then you have to apply for those names that Meta allows. Now, what's a business API? How to use it? So first of all, it's pretty simple and easy. You can broadcast messaging. You can send template messages to the customers. You can send notifications. You have an option for sessions, short replies, as well as user inquiries and user replies. Now, how Meta charges? So it's a pretty simple format. Let's suppose if this is your website, just for an instance, it's one of our client from UK. So this is your website, and you have a WhatsApp widget in here. If a customer came to your website and click on that WhatsApp widget, and if a customer gets redirected inside that WhatsApp, so it will be counted as a user initiated message, as that means a user came inside your WhatsApp and had a conversation. And let's suppose if you broadcast a message to the customer, or if you send a message to the customer, that will be a business initiated. Now, WhatsApp has a policy like, in a 24 hours window, if a user starts a conversation, so you'll build X amount, and if a business starts a conversation, you'll build X amount. Most of the time, my clients get confused, like, either the WhatsApp will be keep on billing us. No, like, this is the only the first message is billable, that's it. After the first message, all the conversations that you and your customers will be having in a 24 hours window will be free of cost. You can broadcast messaging. So if you remember in the beginning, we were discussing in the simple WhatsApp business that we have, you have a limit of 256 broadcasts per day. But with the help of WhatsApp business API, they are multiple tier. Tier one is you have a limit of 1K customers broadcast limit, and as soon as you hit the 1K, WhatsApp automatically upgrades you to tier 2, tier 3, and obviously tier 4. There's certain policies that we have to follow. We cannot spam the customers. We have to take proper opt-in from the customers. And if you have any kind of confusion, just let me know, and I'll be more than happy to guide you. Now, this is something that so many businesses are going crazy, and that is the WhatsApp green tick. So similar to the Facebook blue tick that you see, and nowadays a total blue tick. So you have an option for WhatsApp green tick too, from which you can apply for the green tick. Now, what this will allow you is, let's suppose if you send a message to the customer. So normally, if the customer has not saved your number, so they see a number in here, not your business name. But after the business green tick, if we send a message to a customer, so it doesn't matter if the customer has saved your number or not, but your name, your business name will be appearing, and a green verification badge will be appearing. So normally it motivates the customer to reply back, and obviously it boosts up their confidence too. Conversation features, a couple of features that we'll be getting inside conversation. Agent collaboration is there, reporting is there, automation, contact management, template messages, and the list of features goes on and on. WhatsApp team inbox benefits. So we have a unified inbox from where you can assign live agents and they can handle the conversations. You can assign different agents for different purposes. We have a reporting option, or we say analytics, from where you can track down the bot performance. You can see how many leads came into the chatbot, how many leads were converted from the chatbot, the genders, like was it a male or a female that came to the chatbot, the language, the time zone, each and everything will be available. The number of users, obviously daily, weekly, monthly, you can track them down so that you can have an eye on the productivity of your marketing channels. You can broadcast messaging as well. You can broadcast, you can send multiple templates, you can send multiple broadcasts to the customers. You can add images, videos, PDFs, images, tickets, and other stuff inside your WhatsApp broadcast. We have an option for effective and instant support to your clients. So, like, we have an option for keyword-based replies, out of messages replies, auto multimedia messages, and automated, obviously, greeting messages. Now, to make a chatbot inside conversation, we have created it so simple and easy. It's just a simple drag and drop flow builder. All you need to do is to connect the nodes, connect the flows. That's it. We have an option for keyword based automation. You can add multimedia messages, GIFs, images, videos, other stuff. You can assign agents, live agents, and as well as you have advanced features for sorting out your data on Google Spreadsheets. In terms of integration, so conversation can be integrated with almost all the platforms that you see out there in the market, or you say all your favorite platforms. So either it's Shopify, Zendesk, Google Spreadsheets, or any of the tool that you guys are using, we can easily do the integrations. Just for e-commerce brands specifically, there are a couple of benefits. First of all, you can give the shipping updates to the customers, transactional messaging, abandoned cart, two-way, connect with your CRM, and other steps that you can have inside conversation. So if you have any question and confusions, feel free to reach us out back at team@conversation.io.